campaign with TikTok Shop Philippines, you can snag your very own Honor Pad X8B exclusively from TikTok Shop for an even more affordable price of 9,999 pesos. So, take your photos. Yeah. You heard that right, ladies and gentlemen. Through the new arrival day sale, you can get the Honor Pad X8B first on TikTok Shop for only 9,999 pesos. That's an exclusive 1,000